In this video, we are going to be looking at how we use the distributive property to solve problems like this. We will go through a few examples and you can try some on your own, so then hopefully you will feel more comfortable with problems like this for your review guide and for the test. So here we have an example, 84 times 99. So when I'm thinking about this problem, I'm thinking about how 99 is kind of a tricky number for me to multiply by. But a number really close to 99 that's pretty easy for me to multiply is 100. This is a much easier problem for me to solve. 84 times 100. However, I need to think, is this side 84 times 99? Is that equal to 84 times 100? No, that's not equal. I need to make sure whatever I multiply by 84 on this side, it's equal to that on this side. So I need to think, how do I get to 99 from 100? Well, I subtract 1. So this is my new problem. Then to use the distributive property, I do outside times inside. So 84 times 100. Then I have a subtraction sign here, so I'm going to subtract. Next I do again outside times inside. So 84 times 1. Now I do multiplication like I know how to do. So 84 times 100 equals, I do 84, then add my 2 zeros, 8,400. Then I have subtraction, so I will keep my subtraction. And then 84 times 1 is 84. Now I'm going to subtract to get my answer. Here's my answer, 8,316. Now let's try this problem, 63 times 102. So once again, 102 is not so easy for me to solve. So I'm going to think about it with an easier problem for me. That would be 63 times 100. The problem is, this side here, 63 times 102, is not equal to 63 times 100. I need to make sure whatever I multiply by 63 is the same on both sides. So I think to myself, how do I get to 102 from 100? Well, I have to add 2. So I'm left with 100 plus 2. Now I'm going to do outside times inside, just like on the problem up here. So 63 times 100. Now in this problem, I have an addition sign. So I will put plus here. Then once again, outside times inside, 63 times 2. Then I'll just do my normal multiplication. 63 times 100 equals 63, then add my 2 zeros, 6,300. Then I have a plus, so I will keep my plus. Then 63 times 2 is 126. Then I do my addition to get 6,426. So now we have two more problems, 54 times 99 and 23 times 102. So write these problems down on a piece of paper and use the distributive property to solve. Pause the video, and when you're done, play it and compare your thinking to mine. So my first step is that I change this to an easier problem for me. So 54 times 100. Now I want to make sure that what I multiply 54 by is the same on both sides. So to get to 99, I do 100 minus 1. Now I do outside times inside. 54 times 100. I have a minus here, so I'll keep my minus, my subtraction sign. 54 times 1, outside times inside. Then my multiplication. 54 times 100 is equal to 5,400 minus 54 times 1 is equal to 54. I do my subtraction. Get 5,346. Next one, once again, making an easier problem. 23 times 100, but let's make sure this equals 102. So I need to do 100 plus 2. Now outside times inside. 23 times 100. Here I have a plus, so I'm going to keep my plus. Outside times inside. 23 times 2. Now my multiplication. 23 times 100 equals 2,300. Then I have addition, so I will keep my addition. Next, 23 times 2, 46. Then I add to get 2,346 as my answer. Make sure you have every single one of these steps. If you are missing something, you will lose points on your test. It's really important that you have every single one of these steps. If you missed something or you made another mistake, check your work, see where you made your mistake and how you can fix it. This will be the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you feel a little bit more comfortable with how to do problems like this using the distributive property.